Today, we're exploring a remarkable Virginia house set on 2+ private acres, where space, privacy, and versatility come together in one exceptional package. This well-maintained 3-bedroom, 1-bath home offers a bright and welcoming main level with approximately 1,456 finished square feet, combining classic character with thoughtful upgrades throughout. Beyond the home. Outside, this Virginia property shines with usable acreage and electrified outbuildings, including a workshop and storage shed. Whether you dream of gardening, outdoor entertaining, or dedicated workspace, this property provides options that are increasingly rare in today's market. The home has been thoughtfully maintained with key updates to mechanical and infrastructure systems, including a high-efficiency oil boiler, modern air conditioning, a new well water system, upgraded electrical panel, and more. These improvements provide peace of mind and long-term reliability, allowing you to focus on enjoying your space. With a combination of private acreage, flexible living spaces, hardwood floors, electrified outbuildings, and documented upgrades, this Virginia house is a unique opportunity for buyers seeking both lifestyle and long-term value. Discover the potential of this Fredericksburg property for yourself and imagine the possibilities it offers for privacy, productivity, and comfortable living.